We're here in La Quinta, California at the Traditional Golf Club. This club has been around since the early 20s, and like most golf courses, we're facing a problem where the adjacent trees, the roots are coming into the green area and siphoning all the nutrients out of the green. Solution, Century Root Barrier. This is a combination root and water barrier all in one, in which we're going to take our trencher and go all the way around the greens, you can see here, and we're going to install a 24-inch depth root barrier. This is going to stop the tree roots from coming directly into the green area, and it's actually going to force the roots down. Even with sand trap application where the roots are infiltrating the sand traps, roots are infiltrating the drains, this is a surefire stop application to prevent that. Geo Ripper, the #1 tool for handling tough jobs, leaving minimal damage. It's right here.